Okay, so today I'm just going to do a real quick shave. I already have a blade loaded in the Rockwell T2. It's a fully adjustable razor, butterfly. We're having a party today, so this is going to be a quick shave. So I'm just going to throw some water on my face here. Taconic shave soap. And that's what it looks like. It's a hard soap. So I'm going to go in with the Simpson synthetic T3 knot. Just dip it in some water here. Bring it out. And then just go into this puck and grab some soap. It's that easy. Now I did cut in a beard, so I've got a little over a week's worth of growth. And the T2 on its high setting is more aggressive than the, Rockwell 6C or the 6S, using the 6 plate on it. So I've got a lot of growth to take down. So we'll see how nice of a job it can do. As you can see, setting 6. Beautiful looking razor. This one's the gun model finish. Yeah, it just goes through that like butter. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you're gonna nick yourself on your next shave. See how easy it rinses out too? A lot of razors I have problems with that, not with this one. Thought it struggled a little bit there. All right, now I'm going to remove my mustache. Okay. Just goes right through it. Just an amazing razor. So I'm just going to go back in here. Lather this out. Honestly, that pass was so good. Probably don't even need to do this, but I saw a little patchy up here, so we'll give that another run. All right, so now I'm gonna dial it down. I had it on a 6. I'm gonna take it all the way down to a 3. Okay, so as you can see, the 3 is now showing. We're gonna go across the grain. Just such a smooth razor. Same thing over here. Yeah, just a fantastic razor. I'm gonna go in with an alum block. This one's from Parker. I really like how big this thing is. Just covers a lot of area on your face quickly. A little stinging around the mouth, but that was a lot of growth it took off. Nothing here. Yeah, nothing there either. Just around the mouth where I took off all that growth. So that was a good shave. Nice quick shave too. Like I had a zit there. Didn't even know it. All right, so let's put that away. Rinse off my face with some cold water. We're good. All right, then we'll go in with some Thayer's Witch Hazel face toner. Stuff is great. All right. Man, that always just so refreshing, that stuff is. Thanks to everyone for recommending this to me. This is a great purchase. I think it's $10 on Amazon. I'll link all this stuff below. But on top of that, it's going to be Nivea shaving balm. I like this stuff. In the summer or hot months, this stuff is really, really good. It's not heavy, it's not oily, it's perfect. All right, well, how was that shave? Just a perfect shave. You cannot lose with a Rockwell T2. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you down the road.